but I'll take it. So far for the week, we're up 1478. Dropping at 10 o'clock. We got a couple more minutes. It ended up playing out, but after it stopped me out. It was very heartbreaking to watch this hit the TP. And then once we get to that, we can get up to 100% payout of our money. So I ended up catching this short on US 30s. All right, so as you can see for the day, I made about 747.
That is what makes a successful trader, not just making money.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And right now, it's Tuesday, and I'm about to hop on these charts. I'm about to try to catch some good trades. We're about to get ready with the VIP Trading Network. Everybody should be in the call already. I have Keno started at about 9 a.m. because he trades a little bit earlier than I do. I get on the charts around 9:30, which is probably in about 6-7 minutes. So we're gonna hop on the charts. We're gonna see what we can do today. So on the objective today, I gotta go to the post office to see if they got the FBA Capital hoodies. And also, make sure you check out Commas and Culture, my boy Edward's clothing brand. So I got to do that, trade with the VIP, record this, get the content out today, go to the gym. From there, I don't really have anything different to do. Probably just going to do everything when it comes to money management. I haven't done the last few days just because I've been busy. So I'll bring you guys into that later on in the day. But let's just get started. I don't really got nothing to talk about. Let's just hop straight into charts. I got to get everything all set up. This is the adapter that I use for my microphone. So it connects to the XLR. And that comes all the way to the Shure microphone. This is a great microphone right here. Gotta mute all the other inputs. But yeah, as you can see, we got about 32 people already live in there. So we're gonna get on there, see what we can get today. It is about 9:27. So we got 3 minutes till the open. Let's join the team. Nah, real shit. Stop loss almost got cooked. Come on, Nash. Dropping at 10 o'clock. We got a couple more minutes. All 48 of us, we about to eat. I'm telling you. If you in the shorts, you gonna eat. Welcome. Felice. Yeah, that wick was ridiculous. Wicked me out just to come back to entry and keep going. All right, so we back and everything. Just got done with the VIP Trader Network. Just had our daily call. And honestly, today was a very tragic day. The price action was pretty ass, I ain't gonna lie. Today we didn't have a lot of volume. Matter of fact, we did have a lot of volume, but there wasn't a clear direction. We just kept moving up and down, up and down. The one trade that I took ended up taking a loss, so I didn't take no more trades after that. So we ended the day at about $600 negative, which is cool. If I would have risked 250 on a trade and 250, I would lose 500. If I would have risked 300 and 300, I would have lost 600. But I put it on the one trade because I was confident. It ended up playing out, but after it stopped me out, unfortunately. It wicked my stop loss and then it fell. If you guys have been through that before, let me know because it was very heartbreaking to watch this hit the TP. Look, I can even show you like right now. Look at this. This whole trade I was waiting to play out is playing out for me right here. It's unfortunate, man. But we live to trade another day. Right now it's 11 o'clock. I'm probably about to do some things on my computer, get that money management done that I told you guys. And then I'm going to be probably going to the gym after that. So let's get straight to it. If anything happens on the charts that changes, I'll let you guys know. All right, so I ended up catching this short on US 30. So when I ended up getting stopped out on NAS 100, I just ended up coming over here trying to do all my money management and everything. So I sent the trade to the VIP at about 11:12. This ended up going crazy. It went crazy. I ended up getting about a 1 to 2, risking $500. So I made about 700 on top of this because this was about a 1 to 2.3. So if I would have risked 100, I would have made 230. I risked 500, so I made about 1,200. I made the money from the loss back times 2. That's the importance. You guys gotta understand the importance of risk reward. If I didn't have a positive risk reward, I either would have been negative for the day or break even. But all right, let me finish all this though. All right, so right now I'm just in my YouTube studio. So right now you can see this day is specifically April 25th because as you guys are in my money management, every single day I write down how many people I sign for VIP, how much I make off VIP, my YouTube views, the money I make from YouTube, how much I make from trading, and then I total it all up for the day. And I didn't do it for the last couple of days. So that's why I'm on the 25th. But I just go over here, I'll get my views. So this is how many views I got on that day. So 4,094, I'll take that over. I'll paste that into here. And then I basically just do this for each day. Do that for how many people I signed, how much money I made with it, how much I made from YouTube. So on this day specifically, I made $20.99, which isn't a lot of money, but every dollar counts.
I was actually going through stuff, and you fucking weirdo.
All right, so right now, I'm on my way to the post office again. Yesterday we tried to get these FBA Capital hoodies. They wasn't having it. They couldn't find it. They talking about something, I don't know where it is. They're talking about something never left the street. One on the app, it says available for pickup. I already know they just trying to steal the first, no, not first. This is second. This is the second FBA hoodie type ever made. They just wanted it. It's all good. If I can't get it, we're gonna make a better one. On to the next. And it'll look like only Kino will have that version, that prototype, but it's all good. But we're gonna see if we can get it nonetheless. We on our way there. It's about 9 minutes away. We'll be there soon. Hopefully next time you see me, I'm gonna have those hoodies in my hand. If I don't, then more than likely you'll see me at the curb before we head to the gym. All right, so just got done at the post office and I don't got that hoodie. But I kind of got better news. It's not lost. It got returned back to sender. So it got sent back to you, Jordan, unfortunately. But at least it's not lost. We just got to get it sent back over. So that's good news. I don't have it on me, but it's all good. Time to get this gym workout. And yeah. But before I go to the gym, I actually have to hop on this call. I'm gonna hop on a call with one of the heads of the affiliates from this company that I'm potentially going to be partnering with, that I'm potentially going to be sponsoring. But I wanted to hop on a call, talk to someone face to face, be able to talk to someone to see where their head is, see where their beliefs are, see what their actual intentions are behind being able to partner. Because at the end of the day, I don't have a big following yet. I'm gonna be there. And that's why, and I don't wanna promote a brand that isn't gonna align with my beliefs, align with my core values, align with my message. I wanna give value and change lives. I don't wanna finesse people, no. That's not why I'm here. I'm here to help you. That's why I give videos like this and spend hours every single day making videos just to make $15. Come on now, think about it. But I'm about to hop on this call. I'll probably show you guys maybe a little insight here or there, but I'm gonna call them, see what we can do, and then we're gonna head to the gym. Yeah, as long as everything behind it works efficiently, then everything will just be up to me. I can be able to trade. It's just a matter of if everything in the back end is actually structured correctly to where I can do it without really any friction. Make sure you check out VIP. You could get the first month for 50% off. It will just be $25 to try VIP for the first month. Let me not show you the person that I was on the call with. You can join VIP right over here, just with everyone, all 151 other people. Right now, we're not really active. It's 2 o'clock. It's later in the afternoon. But make sure you join. I got about 4 or 5 people that joined today with the code. You could be next. Don't miss out. See what it's like. You can get the 50% off for the first month. And if you don't like it, you can cancel. I don't think this updated yet or anything. Top Step is taking forever to update. It's probably still at like 15 something. Yeah, 1557. It didn't update yet. That's another thing. But we have 3 trading days on this account, but this is about to be 4. So we got about maybe 26 more trading days, maybe around there. No, 24 more trading days until we get 100% payouts. You have accumulated 30 winning days. This means you've earned $200 or more on each day. So a winning trading day only counts if you have $200 or more on that day. And I have about 9 of them. And then once we get to that, we can get up to 100% payout of our money. Also, read the fine print. You can request up to 100% of your balance each payout request. Requests could be made at any time for any amount, up to 100%. So I can get a payout whenever I want, up to 100% of my balance. And also, since we're already here, I might as well keep giving you guys all the details. So your first $10,000 you make with Top Step, you get to keep 100% of it. So when I make 10,000, I can withdraw my full 10,000, even if it's just 2,000 here, 1,000 here, 2,000 here. That first 10,000 that I accumulate is 100% mine. But after the $10,000, we get a 90-10 split. So if I make $1,000 today and I have my 30 days, I could withdraw 900 of that right then and there. And also, while I'm here, this is the website right here. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna say the name of the website I'm on, but this is where I'm looking at everything. As you can see, a lot of companies lost MetaTrader 5, so I'm just testing out this app right here, seeing how it all works, seeing everything when it comes to taking trades, using this platform. But yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. I don't want to show too much, but this is just me really doing my research, doing my due diligence. But now after doing all of that, we finally head to the gym. Better late than never. Ain't nobody here, so I can actually record today, and unlike any other day. Why is this missing a weight? Where's the other weight? Missing a 20-pound weight. Where did they put the 20-pound weight? Found it. The last couple of days, they haven't been free. They've been having a whole bunch of people here in the gym and shit, so I haven't been able to record, but
We got the gym to ourselves today. I could talk and I could think freely. But today was a good day. So far, we're up about maybe, I made something like like $850 today so far. It's only 3:13. It's not that late, it's not that early, but nonetheless, we're still here in the gym. Even though I am here a little bit later, there's nobody here, so I'm not really that upset about it. All we gotta do is just focus on getting the work done. Focus on continuing to follow the process, getting to our goals, going for our goals. We have to have goals. If you don't have your goals written down, if you don't have your goals somewhere to where you could read it, where you can actually look at it and know where you're going, because without a map, you don't know where you're going. Without the directions, how are you gonna get to your destination? It just doesn't make sense. You gotta know what your goal is so that you can actually have a plan, devise a plan to get to that goal, to achieve that goal. Nothing happens by accident. If you wanna have a good body, you gotta eat well, you gotta get in shape, you gotta work out, you gotta be fit. If you wanna make a lot of money, you gotta figure out a skill, figure out how to turn that skill into a business and then consistently make money. Everything, there's a cause to everything. You just gotta figure out what it is at the end of the day. But right now, my goal is to get fit, to build discipline. So that's why I'm in the gym right now, and that's why I'm about to get this workout in. Let's go. Warm up done. Now time for this real shit. All right, looks like my girlfriend just texted me saying she's about to get done work, so we about to continue getting this last like 10 minutes in, try to get as much workout in, try to work out as many muscles within the span. So I'm about to hit arms while I talk to you guys so I can multitask, because I'm probably not gonna have the time to do it in a little bit. So let's hit these curls while I talk to you guys about mind. You guys don't understand how important it is to make sure that you're mentally in the right state, especially when it comes to business, when it comes to trading, when it comes to trying to change your life, trying to get into a different position. It all starts with the belief that you can do it. Just because you tell yourself, I want to be rich, I want to be successful, I'm going to achieve my dreams, doesn't mean you're going to. You have to believe you actually can do it. Just because you say you can get rich doesn't mean you actually wholeheartedly in your heart believe that you're going to do it. Because if you haven't done the things that are going to allow you to have the confidence in yourself to know that it's possible, if you haven't caught a whole bunch of W's, if you haven't made a lot of money yet, if you haven't changed your body into the body that you want to have, you have no reason to believe that you can do it. And that's perfectly fine. That's why experience is key. Stacking up small W's is key. I know I could be a successful trader because I've proved it to myself. I've won trades before. I've had winning weeks, I had winning months. I've gone weeks where I didn't lose a trade. I've gone days where I didn't lose a trade. I've gone days where I was disciplined enough to not trade when I told myself not to. I've had days where I was disciplined to not trade when I told myself I'm not going to trade. That is what makes a successful trader. Not just making money. It's everything. How you handle yourself in sticky situations. How you handle yourself outside of trading. How your mindset is outside of trading. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. I try to show you guys in my everyday life, like for example, me coming to the gym every single day. I want you guys to see the consistency that I have with it. Me posting a video on YouTube every single day, I want you to see the consistency I have with it. Because if I wasn't promising myself, if I wasn't upholding my promises that I make to myself, when I tell myself I'm gonna work out every day, when I tell myself I'm gonna post a YouTube video, when I tell myself I'm going to follow my trade rules today, when I tell myself I'm not gonna trade, I actually listen to myself. And I listen to myself because I've built the confidence from experience so that I actually, little bicep. But I've done the things that allow me to have confidence in myself because I've done it before. If you haven't done it before, you can't expect yourself to have the same level of confidence as someone like me that's been trading for 4 years, that's been making YouTube videos for over 15 years. All of these things take time. It doesn't happen overnight. Same thing with imagine trying to learn a language. Do you think you can fluently speak a language that you didn't know how to speak yesterday overnight? No. You may learn a few words, you may learn a few sentences, but you're not gonna be able to do it fluently. And the same thing goes with everything else. You're not gonna change overnight with your body in the gym. You're not gonna become a millionaire overnight with trading. You're not gonna be a successful trader overnight. Everything takes time with your daily habits. What you do today is gonna determine where you are in 5 years. What you did 5 years ago is gonna determine where you are today. Your daily habits are everything. Your daily habits are gonna dictate your future. All right, so as you can see for the day, I made about 747. I made 765 before the commission and everything. It says 3 trades, but it was really 2 trades.
Pretty sure that was just when I closed the contract, but you can see the commissions and fees, $17 in commissions. The longest trade was only about 36 minutes. Average trade was 23 minutes, 66% win rate. That's a W day, in my opinion. Data, so this is the account 23 hundo with about 4 winning days. The worst day was only 238 and the best day was 747, which is pretty good in my opinion. We have about a 60% winning trade ratio, which isn't that bad, but I'll take it. So far for the week, we're up 1478. It's just only been 4 days. 2,300 in 4 days. What would you do with 2,300 in 4 days? I don't know. All right, everyone. So this is where I'm gonna end the video off. Today's been a good day. Overall, I made about $730. I'm pretty sure after commission, 740 after commission. Trading with the 2 trades, I lost 600 and then I made 700 on top of that, so I made about 1,300. At the end of the day, if you're not willing to risk money to make money, you're not going to make a lot of money. People that make $100,000 aren't risking $1,000 to make that. They're probably risking 25 to 50,000 to make $100,000. You got to risk money to make money at the end of the day. You're only going to make $1,000 if you're willing to if you're willing to risk about $250 to $500 to make that $1,000. You need to risk money to make money. No risk, no reward. So far today, we're at about $230 made on the day for the VIP Trading Network, and counting like renewals for it, because it's a monthly recurring community. It's something that you're coming to every single month, every single day. You're not just coming here for a month and change your life. No, you don't change your life in a month. This is something that's gonna take time. This is something that's gonna take experience. You gotta come every single day, learn every single day, take trades. Maybe not take trades every day, but come to the market and learn from the trading every single day. Learn to manage risk. Learn from people that have gone through the mistakes. Listen to the people that is giving you advice, because at the end of the day, we are not all new traders. I've been trading for 4 years. There's other traders. Kino's been trading for 4 years. We got Cortez has been trading for 7 years. We have Kel that's been trading for 9 years. We have Bells that's been trading for 4 years. A lot of us have been trading for a good amount of time. We're not all just new traders. This is a community of like-minded individuals that happened to all trade. But we made $230, and that's because I'm doing a discount. Like I said, if you want to try the VIP Trading Network, it's $25. It costs less than $25 to go to Chick-fil-A. Come on, it's for a month. Think about it. Think about what you could do with $25. Think about changing your life. How about that? I promise you, you'll get the value of $25. Just ask the people in the comments. People that are in VIP, let them know what we get into, because at the end of the day, I'm catching these trades, but I'm also calling it for other people. Like Ashley, if you're watching this video, comment down below the trade that you caught, the shorts. Let them know the results don't lie. But with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, comment. If you didn't, also comment, also like it. But be safe, be productive. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Let's have a good day. Let's have a great week.